Happy Wrap Wednesday, Roses. So my battery's getting ready to die, so I gotta make this wrap tutorial for this week super fast. So I already have my hair in this side puff, which is like one of my favorite ways to wear my hair. So what I am going to do is just do something around that. So I have this scarf right here that I made. It's a satin scarf. It's actually from an old dress slip, y'all. Or was it a nightgown? I don't know, but I made it. And so what I'm going to do is fold this. So I fold this twice, just as a way to help protect these edges, okay? And there's a point to what I'm doing here. So we have this going around. This is just to help protect the edges because, again, the head wrap I'm using today is not satin lined, okay? So there we go. I'm not even looking in the mirror, y'all. Just as long as it's protecting your edges. Now, here we have another wrap from my shop, OlenaRosanne Creations. So, as we can see, extra long. And what I'm going to do is fold it in half because I'm not covering all of my hair this time. So I'm going to fold it. You see how that's folded? So, take this. That's the back of my head. You see why I folded that? It's because we're not covering everything. Come back to the front. And what I like to do is take it right here off to the side. And you don't have to tie it at all. All we're doing is twist it. So twist, twist. Keep on twisting till we get towards the end. Now this twist is going to be your decoration, girl. This is going to be like your crown swooping across. See that? And then you can let your curls or braids or however way you're wearing your hair fall off to the side or off to the other side. Turn back around and take those ends. And what we're going to do is we're going to tuck it in there, okay? We're going to tuck it in. Okay. But here we have it. You can do your twist tighter if you want this tighter. You don't need to do that though. And then fluff out your hair. Whether it's a wig, you put on a drawstring ponytail, you got braids, it doesn't matter. Or there's nothing there, it doesn't matter. It could just be a little something. But this is a way to have your hair out stylishly to one side, and you got your wrap on, and you are ready to keep on rocking your wrap for Wrap Wednesday. So there you have it, Roses. Make sure you subscribe so you're ready for the next head wrap tutorial, and I'll talk to you, Roses, later. Bye.